हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग कुछ कंप्यूटर के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चनों को देखते हैं। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दीजिए। तो पहला प्रश्न है, व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ रोम? तो रोम का फुल फॉर्म है रीड ओनली मेमोरी। व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ यूएसबी? यूनिवर्सल सीरियल बस। व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ आईएसपी? तो इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर। व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एचटीएमएल? हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। Processor, main memory, RAM, hard disk, and Cosmos BIOS chip, etc. are housed inside CPU. तो dash container slot for fixing. तो motherboard, a style used to provide the input through CRT. तो that is light van. CRT full form cathode ray tube. VDU stands for visual display unit. In computer monitor, CRT stands for cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube monitor has highest level of power consumption amongst the monitor. LCD is explained as liquid crystal display. LED is explained as liquid emitting diode. The display of LCD monitor is duller than that of LED monitor. Height of wide ratio monitor screen is called aspect ratio. CRT monitor has the aspect ratio of 4:3. Laser printer, inkjet printer, thermal printer and plotter belongs to non-impact type of printer. Thermal printer use biphenol coated paper. The unit which split power supply to various voltage requires switch mode power supply, that is SMPS. What is Unix? The full form of Unix is a text. Unix is a operating system. The Unix shell is both scripting and interpreter. In which language Unix is written? So Unix is written in C language. Which of the following is not a feature of Unix? So easy to use is not a feature of Unix. The features of Unix are multi-user, multitasking and probability. What editor is used by Unix system to edit the file? So that is VI. Which of the following is not a part of various version of Unix? So graphical user interface GUI is not a part of Unix. The Unix version parts are system calls, kernel, shell, command and utilities. Which part of Unix operating system interacts with hardware? So that is kernel. Which command is used to display the documentation of commands in Unix? That is man. Which of the following system call is used to creating new process in Unix? That is fork. Which of the following command is used to create the child shell? That is sh. Which Unix command is used for locating files? That is find. Which command is used for preparing the file for printing? That the Unix command, that is PR command. The position parameters are the form of command line and the special variable for assigning the argument. Shell script is the file containing a series of commands for storing the number of positional parameter. What is used? So $hashtag is used to make the script interactive. The dash command is used, read command is used. Which of these types is not provided by C but provided by C++? That is bool. Which concept do we use to implement of a late binding virtual function? What would happen in case one use void in passing of an argument? It would not return any value to the caller. Dash is an ability of grouping certain lines, that is modularization. Which of these keywords do we use for declaration of the friend function? That is friend. What does polymorphism stand for? A class that has many form. What handler do we use if we want to handle all type of expectation, that is catch all handler, what do we use in order to throw an expression, that is throw in heap sort, which of the following value will be pointed to first? So the highest value will be the pointed to first. Which of the function is used to incrementing the interior by certain value, that is advance. In local object, which of the following object information is loaded? So that is loaded in fact object. Who invented Java programming? So Java programming was invented by James Gosling. Which statement is true about Java? So the last statement, Java is a platform independent programming language. Which component is used to compile and debug and execute the Java program? JDK. Which of the following is not a Java feature? Use pointer is not a Java feature. Which of the following is type of polymorphism in Java programming? That is compile time polymorphism. What is truncation in Java? That is floating point value assigned to an integer type. What is the extension of compile Java classes? Dot class. Which expectation, which exception is thrown when Java is out of memory? Out of memory error. What is Oracle? Oracle is a database. Which of the following is correct about Oracle? Oracle is a RDMS. RDBMS. Oracle is a relational database management system. That is correct. Which of the following database was designed first for enterprise grade computing? That is Oracle database. Which of the following is not Oracle database feature? So these all are the features: scalability, availability, and analytics. We can all do in Oracle. So that is none of the mention. Which of the following is disadvantage of Oracle database? So the disadvantage of Oracle database are difficult to manage, it is very costly, complexity is there. So all of the mention are correct. What is Oracle database used for? So what is the use of the Oracle database? So store and retrieve the relevant data. Which of the following component compromise an Oracle architecture? So the component which comprise an Oracle architecture is table spaces, data file, database, and related background process. All of the mention. Which of the following are of PGA store binding variable to run time buffer information, that is private SQL area? Which of the following is used to logically data group together, that is table space? Which of the following package procedure is unrestricted in Oracle? That is call input. Oracle server configuration is dedicated for one server process. Which schema object introduced in Oracle to connect remote access and object of database? That is data link. Dot command is used for removing a table and all its data from the database, that is drop table command. Which of the following are DDL statements? So DDL statements are drop, alter, create. The SQL statement select subster sub str 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, insert ABCDA in B on dual. So what will be inserted? 2 3 4 5. Which of the following command is used to select only one copy of each duplicable row in SQL? That is select distinct. Which of the following object type of below content is replicated sequence? Which is the result of the following? So ORA null CLE, that is Oracle. The redo log buffer shared pool element of SGA. Which of process is an instant made of Oracle, that is Oracle background process. What is CSS stand for? So full form of CSS is cascade style sheet. Which of the following statement is false? So the first one, you can make website without using it HTML, that is false. SQL stand for structure query language. Which of the following is a true about PHP? It is a server-side scripting language. Which of the following is true? You need a server to host your website file. That is true. Which of the following software could be used to build a website? That is Dreamweaver. Which of the following is not a CMS? So SAP is not a CMS. All other WordPress, Drupal, Magento or the content management system. So is high performance fiber optics FDDI? Which of the following is a gigabyte Ethernet? That is all above. Is a fast Ethernet is a collective term of number of Ethernet standard that carries traffic at a normal rate of 1000 mbits per second against the original Ethernet speed 10 mbit. S/net is another kind of fiber optics network that is active star for switching. The most important common protocol TCP/IP. So all 1 2 3 4 Internet Protocol, Internet Control Message, IECMP, DHCP, BOOTP, ARP. Dash is responsible for converting the higher level protocol, that is address resolution protocol, ARP. Which of the following is not a mechanism of that DHCP supports? So that is dynamically allocation. What is cloud computing? So cloud computing means providing service like storage, service, database and networking. Who is the father of cloud computing? So JCR Lichter is the father of cloud computing. Which of the following is not a type of cloud server? So merge cloud server is not a type of cloud server. Which of the following are the feature of cloud computing? So all the above mentioned are the features of cloud computing. Which of the following architect stands in is working with cloud computing industry? So that is service oriented architecture. Which of the following is correct statement? So cloud computing present new components to the user and developer. What is the correct formula for calculate the cloud computing uh, deployment? The cost cloud is equal to unit cost cloud slash revenue cost cloud. Which of the following is wrong statement about cloud computing? So the B option, data center operator under average load. Cloud computing is a concept that involves pooling physical resource, that is virtual. Which of the following is a cloud platform provided by Amazon? So that Amazon Web Service is a cloud platform provided by Amazon. Into which expenditure does cloud computing shift? Capital expenditure, that is operating. Point out the wrong statement. So C is the wrong statement. Quality management in software engineering is known as SQA. Quality also can be looked at the term of user satisfaction, which include all the mentioned. Inspection and testing are what kind of quality cost? That is a spiral. According to Pareto principle, X% of defect can be traced to Y% of all causes. What are the values of X and Y? That is 80 and 20. Non-conformance to the software requirement is known as software failure. What kind of quality cost is incurred when an error is detected in a product prior shipment, that is internal failure. The degree to which the design specification of the following during manufacture is known as quality of conformance according to ISO 9001. So that is inspection and testing comes under document control. The universal gate is NAND gate is a universal gate. The inverter is NOT gate. The input of NAND gate are connected together. The resulting circuit is NOT gate. A NOR gate is OR gate followed by NOT gate. When an input signal 1 applies to NOT gate, the output is 1. The Boolean algebra, the bar sign indicates NOT operation. An OR gate has 4 inputs. One input is high and the other 3 are low. The output is high. The output will be low for any case when one more input are 0 in NAND gate. Dash password are next level of security, that is BIOS. BIOS is abbreviated as basic input output system. Find out the and select the uninstall, that is unwanted. As backup of securing your device is necessary to create a restore point. Dash is an anti-malware tool, that is Window Defender. All drives for security purpose, that is BitLocker. A dash is a dedicated design chip, that is Trusted Platform Module. TMP is abbreviated as Trusted Platform Module. PCB stands for Printed Circuit Board. And desktop computer, the board containing microprocessor, RAM and component is called mother. CMOS motherboard is explained as complementary metal oxide semiconductor. In motherboard, PATA stands for in motherboard PATA stands in motherboard PATA stands for Part Advanced Technology Attachment. The DC voltage of most circuit board is plus 5 volt. Which of the following handles the interconnection between most of the device and CPU, that is south bridge. Where does the motherboard store keyboard controller support program, that is ROM. Which chip act as a clock to keep the current date and time, that is CMOS. When does CMOS password appear? At power on. Several lines at the end of post are used in Bootstrap loader. On PC power supply, the wire attached to the pin is usually white and orange. Which seeking to upgrade for particular motherboard, what do you need to know? That makes and model. In unregulated power supply, if the load current increase, the output voltage will decrease. The Zener diode utilize reverse. If the load current drawn by unregulated power supply increase, the DC output voltage will decrease. SMPS is stand for obtaining control DC power supply. SMPR SMPS are based on principle of chopper. The static UPS required both inverter and reflector. Usually dash batteries are used in UPS system, that is lead acid. HVDC transmission has smaller conductor size. So these were some important questions regarding computer science. If you like the video, please support my channel. Thanks for supporting.